peppermint. This one here is basil. It's peppermint here. This is lemongrass. Lemongrass. Get me a little piece of rosemary. My tea is bubbling. Look at the color now. So I'll probably just add to this a little piece of peppermint or lemongrass to add to flavor. So I added these green, nice smelling herbs now. It's going to add flavor, and then the whole place is going to smell like rosemary, peppermint, lemongrass. It's going to smell so nice when it's done. When it starts, boiling a little bit. I won't let the green ones, I don't boil them. I just kind of draw them. I put them in here as it's boiling, and then I'm just going to turn the flame way down for about 2 minutes and then turn off. So to have this tea now, I just add some lemon juice. That's it. I don't use sugar. Don't even need honey. Just some lemon juice for me, and I'm good to go. So I'm making, good morning everyone, or afternoon, wherever you are. I'm about to make me another herbal tea. So here I'm using ginger. I'm going to use the onion peel, orange peel, and turmeric. So I'm going to be stripping washing, and then boiling. So I'm going to leave it here on low heat to come to the boil and simmer for a little.